How, how to put on a new handle. Most people would tap it from the top. I'm not going to do that. If I can get this position just right, I'm going to show you the way I was taught. You get it started and you tap the bottom. Well, seems I can't hold it that way, but you got the idea. I'll get back to you when I'm further along. Once you get it far enough along, insert your wedge, tighten it all the way down as far as you can, and then cut off the top. And you should have another metal wedge that'll go in after. And I'll show you how that's done in just a second. Okay, you'll have one of these little metal wedges. It'll go right down in the top. I like to put mine in sideways, so that way it expands it to fill that hole. And then a dab of liquid nails to fill in the gap, and she's all done. Good as new. This isn't really a hatchet. This is what's called a roofing hammer, but I like it better than a hatchet. Small, lightweight. It's got a rough edge so that if you do hammer nails, it doesn't slip off of them. It's got a nail puller on the bottom edge. All around multi-purpose tool. Great thing to have. You ever see one in the flea market? Pick it up, you'll love it. This is Morgan with Agape Farms. If you like what you see, remember, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and don't forget the ding dong. That'll let you know whenever I post a new video. Merry Christmas and God bless you.